If you guys saw my previous positions, it was just Tesla. I got into SMCI and VRT. Currently, we did go up about 400% for the day. You guys know that I did start this account with about $500, and we peaked today at what is it called? We peaked today at, what's going on with this? Why isn't it loading, bro? There you go. I was like, why isn't this thing loading? Yeah, peaked today at $9,700. And these are the positions that I'm in right now: SMCI, VRT, and Tesla. Tesla is worth very little. I think that's like I think total. What is that? The equity. There you go. So that's how much equity is in every single position. I am looking at getting out of SMCI obviously tomorrow. I did catch the full push to the upside. VRT, I do have a different target, and Tesla. Obviously, if you guys want to see how I did this or why I took these, right, you guys can join the Patreon, right? But again, started this